Urgent sale alert. A clean Suzuki Cultus 2018 with genuine interior and fresh look. Watch till the end. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and well-maintained hatchback in Karachi, then today's car is definitely worth your attention. This is an urgent sale, so please listen carefully till the end. Today, I'm presenting a Suzuki Cultus VXR 2018 model, available in good overall condition and ready for immediate transfer. This car is ideal for daily use, family driving, office commute, and even for those who want a tension-free car with low running cost. Let's start with the model and condition. This is a 2018 Suzuki Cultus VXR, a very popular model in Pakistan due to its excellent fuel average, low maintenance cost, and smooth drive. The car is inside fully genuine, which is a very important point for serious buyers. The interior is neat, clean, and well kept, showing careful use by the owner. From the outside, the car has had a shower for a fresh look. There is nothing hidden here. The shower was done only to improve appearance and presentation. The body looks clean, straight, and presentable. No major dents, no structural issues, and no accidental damage. Now let's talk about engine and performance. This Cultus runs only on petrol, no CNG installed, which means the engine is healthier and more reliable. The engine sound is smooth, pickup is good, and the car drives comfortably in city traffic as well as on longer routes. Suspension is balanced and suitable for Karachi roads, giving you a comfortable ride. The car has new tires installed, so there is no immediate expense for the next owner. Tires grip well and add confidence while driving. Along with that, a new battery has also been installed, which means you won't have to worry about starting issues or replacement cost anytime soon. Now coming to documents and file. The car comes with a complete file, and all documents are clear. Transfer is smooth, and there are no legal or documentation issues. This makes it a safe and secure purchase for buyers who want peace of mind. Inside the cabin, everything is original and genuine. Seats are in good shape, dashboard is clean, and controls are working properly. It's a comfortable cabin for family use, especially for daily driving within the city. Let's also talk about why Suzuki Cultus is such a strong option. Suzuki Cultus is known for excellent fuel average, easy availability of spare parts, low maintenance cost, smooth resale value, reliable engine for daily use. This makes it one of the best choices in its category, especially if you are buying your first car or upgrading from an older model. Now let's come to the most important part, the price. The final price is 19.80 lakh PKR. This price is final, and there is no bargaining. Please contact only if you are serious and understand the value of a clean, well-maintained car. Round pushpin location, Karachi. This is an urgent sale, so the car will be sold on a first-come, first-served basis. If you are genuinely interested, don't wait too long, because cars in this condition and price range don't stay available for long. If you want a simple, clean, petrol-driven car, with fresh look, genuine interior, new tires, new battery, and clear documents, this Suzuki Cultus VXR 2018 is a solid option. For more details, inspection, or to proceed further, contact via inbox. Thank you for watching the video. If you like honest car reviews and real listings, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who are looking for a car. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and drive responsibly.